What is going on, guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, as you've seen from the title and probably the thumbnail, I'm going to be changing my Rubicon taillights from the factory taillights to LED taillights, which these are the ones I got. They're pretty cheap. If you guys want these same ones, I'll probably have them linked down below in the description. As you've seen on my last video, we did the LED headlights and turn signals. If you didn't catch that one and you want to check it out, I'll have a card up top, or I'll have the link to the video down below in the description. This is the box that the taillights came in, and this is the taillight we're going to be putting on. It actually came with the third brake light too, that goes up top, but I don't really feel like taking my spare off right now to put it on. It's literally, you just plug it in to the little plug-in deal, and then there's like 4 just Phillips screws that hold it on. Super simple. This is probably one of the most simple mods to do to your Jeep if you want to do something at home. You just pick out which taillights you want, make sure they're plug and play, and you literally just take a Phillips screwdriver and you take out these 2 inner screws here, and then the taillight will come off, plug your new one in, put it back on. It's pretty much as simple as that. You'd probably do this in like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna, like I said, I already got this one done over there. I'm going to do this one, and I'll have the camera on so you can see what I'm doing. And then I'll set the camera down and I'll cycle through like reverse and brake lights and all that, so you can see, because these are like the streak ones, so their brake light is like the whole streak around the outside. So yeah, once I get this one installed, I'll show you guys. I'll turn the Jeep on and then run through all the different cycles. You'll see here in a second. All right, so I'm going to just pop out these 2 inside screws here. There is like a little hook that holds the outside of the taillight on. I'll show you that here in a second. So all you gotta do is like pivot it in. It might be kind of stuck if you haven't pulled them off in like a while or whatever. But then you just push down on the top of these clips. There's one here. Oh, this one's different than the other side. So you unplug this bad lad. This side only has 1. The other side had 2 that I had to plug in. It routed from here into another one, so there was like 2 different plugs. So I went ahead, plugged both of them in. This one looks like it only has 1. Here is like the little hooks I was telling you about that go on the inside right here, so you slide it in and then put this tab in that little locking hole. So let's go ahead and grab the new taillight. Take your clip, plug it in, so you hear it click, and then take your little hooks that go in there, and it'll kind of lock itself on. And then after that, all you gotta do is put your screws back in, and you're pretty much done. So I'm gonna get this screwed back in, and then I'll turn the Jeep on and cycle through everything so you can see what the lights look like when they're powered up.